promised that I would show you what's inside my work kit. So this is it. It's what I travel around the globe with. It is a remower. I actually love remower. However, if I had more time again, I would get remower, but I would change the shape. The shape is a little bit deep, so I often get driven always with different kinds of cars, and it doesn't always fit into the trunk of some drivers that collect me. So it would be better if it had been kind of like a flatter suitcase. Anyhow, I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. So first of all, it has these kind of envelopes each side, and I use these for my towels and cutting capes on this side. So anybody who knows me knows that I always work on a white towel. It might be old school, but that's just the way I am, and I've done that for years and years and years and years. It's not going to change now. And I always have supplies. So often makeup brushes dirty it. I don't like it being dirty. I always like it very clean. So I have a supply to use if necessary. Then in here I have Dyson tools. I'm going to lay all this out for you actually, so you'll see. Dyson tools, my adapters. Mind you, I will say that this is my European case. I also have an American case with American tools, which is in my apartment in New York. And I always have two of everything in case something's not working. So in America, I have Dyson and I have Harry Josh. Dryers. In Europe, it is Dyson. So I have all the little bits and pieces for the Dyson here. I have these Iles Formula sacks, which I use for hair accessories and clips. These bags are really fabulous. They're actually camping bags. So they wash up well, they have a zip, and they have a see-through window, which I really love. And these are fantastic for tools. Products, I have my product bag. I'm going to lay all that out for you as well, about my favorite products. There's another Dyson tool there, which is my air wrap, which I use a lot. And then on this side, in this envelope, I have so extensions. So the Heart Company have these lovely little bags, and I love to keep them inside. And they're, you know, it keeps the hair very neat. These are in little hair nets. I mean, they're very delicately done, very European, in fact. And then I have Covert and Mane. These are fantastic for America because everybody wears long hair in America. So look at the length of that. It is so long. So I have them in all colors, in all shades of brown, all shades of blondes, all shades of red and auburns. And then depending upon what my job is and who I'm going to, that envelope gets filled up with the hair that I need for that particular day and that job. So here again we have more. I have Velcro rollers, I have my brushes, and I have my international plugs that are my global international plugs, and I always have a couple of each just in case something happens and one's not working. And in this bag I have my Iles Formula sachets. So a client, if I have a new client in my chair, I introduce her to that with a catalogue of my product. Anyway, honestly, 98% of the clients that are in my chair are already using Iles Formula, but there'll be the occasions there's someone on the team and I want them to try my product, so I give them that. And it's in the bag, so it stays very clean. Okay, I'm going to lay this out and we come more closely to the special items. Okay, so let me just explain a little bit. So let's start with brushes. Olivia Garden, the ceramic and they're ionic, and they are the 3 sizes I use. So ionic means that they are anti-static. Now, I was in Germany a few weeks ago, before everything locked down, and I will give you the name of the great, a salon in Germany so kindly offered me these. They're square. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really square. They give an amazing blowout, really good, and these are from great lengths. So that is something I'm going to enjoy a lot, I think, when I get back to work. And then my products, anyone that knows me, as much as they know about the white towel, I have one of these serums in my pocket all the time. These are my 2 go-tos, either the finishing serum or the Curl Revive. And every head of hair I touch has one of these or both of them, because sometimes I cocktail. So I cannot hairdress without those 2 products. Then if I understand when you're a freelancer, you kind of have to have, even though 90% of the jobs I do are with these 2 products, I need to have other things in my case just in case. So for greasy roots, for example, if someone turns up on set and they need a hair wash and there's no time, I will use the Chloran. I think it's the best dry shampoo out there. I love this matte scrunch foam. I get this from Japan, but I have found since that you can actually buy it online. I've told some people about this. The beauty of this is that it will give a matte texture to the hair, like a very textured matte appearance. And what I love about it is that it brushes out, but I rarely use it because I texturize a lot with my finishing serum, which has a little more traction than the Curl Revive, which is like pure nurture. And then this is, it looks like my Rimowa case, it's all bent up and battled, because this little applicator I've had for like, I don't know, 25, 30 years in my case, and I was filling it up with the really old-fashioned setting lotion. So for example, if I wanted to do a bouffant with great root lift, 50s kind of look, or a Marilyn Monroe look with great lift, I would use my pink setting lotion, which is really old stuff and difficult to find these days. However, on that same trip to Germany, I met Mr. and Mrs. Simmons that have kind of bottled up their own setting lotion. It looks and smells similar to the old one that you smell in old coiffure salons. So I'm hoping that I can start to fill this up with that. Also, this can of Elnet Fixation Foot Stronghold has been in my case for 5 years. I've used it once in 5 years, and it's very rare I bring it out, but I have it there just in case. Voila. And of course, I always have my shampoo and conditioner in case I have to do a shampoo and condition, which is rare when you're on a beauty shoot, unless it's a hair campaign, because there's no running water usually. So, scissors, my favorite. I like these Osaka from Japan. Very, very nice. They're just a comfortable fit in my hand. I have others there, but I usually use those. And I like this really old razor. I mean, I'm a Sassoon, so everything is kind of very graphic, but this razor just kind of eases off nicely, makes it more organic. I like it very much. These are my, what are these called? Hercules combs, towel comb. I love my towel combs. And of course my Iles Formula comb. I finish every coiffure with that. I never, when I'm finishing off a coiffure, I always go through with this, or this little one, which is anti-static, which is really lovely. In fact, this was offered to me by Linda Hay, a colleague I often work with, for a birthday present, and I love it. It is from Chidoriya Tsuage, it's Japanese. It's made from Japanese boxwood, in fact. So that's a lovely one as well. So I always have, these are the 4, depending upon which one I'm using on the day, these are always in my pocket, always. I spend my whole day with those 3 products, basically. three things. Then clips. I love Clippendales for little clips because they kind of have that little base on them where they don't leave clip marks. Clippendales, they're from Germany. These I love as large clips. You won't find stronger clips than these. These are brilliant. You can get them in aluminium or black. And the name of those is, Denman. Denman clips. They're very good. These hair bobby pins I get from Japan. Quite complicated because until now I've had to go to Japan to get them. So very good. They are very strong clips. Only come in black, but it's okay. I've learned to hide them on blondes. They are super, super duper strong, the strongest ones out there. And they also have little tiny invisible ones as well. Well, invisible, I mean as small as a little one can be, okay? And then so these are fantastic for red carpet. So Forge, accessory company in Los Angeles, everything is made with like rose gold, yellow gold, white gold, beautiful hair clips, absolutely stunning. They feel gorgeous in the hands. That's another one from Forge. This is a beret from HDR, a beautiful one up the back of a French roll, for example. And, these are fab too. So these are little clips I got from Vera and Wanda again. No, these I got from Salon Ruggieri, actually. Beautiful clips. This one from Vera and Wanda. And that is about it. I mean, they're the favorite pieces. I hope you enjoyed that.